Next, we move on with the application in industry. Okay, the first one is the gravity settler used for removal of impurities. We commonly use for barley, wheat, beans, and food grains. And the picture shows lamella separators. Okay, the next one is the sedimenting centrifuge. It is commonly used in our lab in level 5. Separates according to their size, density, viscosity of medium and rotor speed. Usually sedimenting centrifuge are used in dairy industry for the clarification of milk. Okay, the next one is hydrocyclones. Hydrocyclones separates particles in a liquid suspension but based on the different densities. Usually used for oil separator. Okay, the next one classifier, and of course for classification and also dewatering of different forms of minerals. Okay, and then the other one, the next one is the gravity filters, which filtering potable water or treated wastewater treatment. Okay, it includes three process: flocculation, clarification, and filtration. Okay, the next one is the pressure filter, which use pressure to remove iron, manganese, and also some contaminants, which usually used for ponds, with streams, and fountains. Okay, the next one is the compressed filter, also for removal of contaminants using compressed air, usually for pneumatics application. And the last one is the vacuum filter, which the one we use in our lab to separate the solution and precipitate. And for example, we collect the salt.